What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 PC or laptop. To do that, go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on settings. And from here you want to go ahead and click on Windows Update on the lower left hand side of my screen, and you will see that you have the option here in the upper right to check for updates. So go ahead and click on that, and your Windows PC will do a check for updates. Keep in mind that you need to have active internet connection, and so your PC need to be connected to the internet. And so this will allow your computer to run a quick check for updates, and if it finds any updates, it's going to begin to start installing them. And as you can see right here, mine did a check for update. It finds some security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus, and it has updated it and it's now completed. And that's it. Some updates may require you to reboot your PC, while others is not so critical, and this can always wait until you restart your computer. But that's pretty much how to do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.